So I've always been really interested in aesthetics. I'm a PA. I've been a PA for the past 19 years, surgical based, and I had the opportunity to work with all different types of procedures, plastics, thoracic, etc. But I always loved the aesthetics component. I'm very happy with actually going ahead and choosing Empire Medical Training for my own training abilities. Before actually doing my first classes with Empire Medical Training, I did not even think it was possible for me to be where I am today, where I have my own spa. It really is an amazing accomplishment, and I was only really able to get that done through the training itself and the colleagues that I've met, and really feeling comfortable and confident in my skill set. If you were to have asked me a year or even 6 months before I did my first class that I would be where I am today now, having my own practice, delivering care to my patients, feeling comfortable, confident within my skill set, also being a leader within the community, to be able to open my own practice, deliver wonderful care to my patients, and to know that I don't need to rely on another source for my own financial independence. That to me is really life-changing. And I would say that I didn't even think it's something that I could do, and to live and experience that right now has been truly transformational.